I remember.
Today I could not sleep very well. It's very exciting.
The first time you and I met, and we came out here to visit, when you showed me the cistern, the first thing you said is one day you want to do wine in here.
Yes. In a short-term period, this was in November, October.
October last year, yeah.
Yeah, now we are in September. And we're going to do it. Process it when they are picked directly, then we should use something to cool it down.
Yeah.
We prefer to cool down all the grapes and then start the process. It's a cold process, cold continuous process.
Are you going to symbolically drop the first grape?
Eh?
Are you going to symbolically drop the first grape in? Yeah. Pick a good one. Okay,
Somos los creadores de... No, pero hay que tirarlo.
Okay, alright, okay.
Vamos, 1, 2 y 3. Okay, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Es muy bueno, que sea mejor que esté frío que no que esté a 30 grados.
A ver, de todas formas, todo lo que está a 1 metro por debajo de lo que es el nivel de suelo se mantendrá a una temperatura bastante constante. Por lo que dudo mucho que tengamos que meter ahí también las camisas, ya veremos.
So we have inside 4,000 kilos of petit Syrah grapes with low quantity of sulfites, like 2 grams per every 100 kilos. And let's see what happens. Now we have to start doing the ¿cómo se llama? In Spanish is bazuqueo.
Yeah, the
French I think is pigeage.
Pigeage, yeah.
Yes. We will start.
As each moment